Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the easiest, most compatible path, an Android emulator like BlueStacks or a VM running Android x86. Once decided, make sure your PC is 64-bit with at least 8 GB RAM and virtualization turned on in BIOS. This speeds performance. Download the emulator or VM installer to a familiar folder and keep an administrator account ready so you can run the installer. Do this now so you can move straight into setup without interruptions. You now install and configure the runtime. Run the downloaded installer as administrator, allocate 2 to 4 CPU cores and 4+ GB RAM during setup, and enable virtualization features when prompted. Once the emulator boots, open Google Play, sign into your Google account, and allow Play services to update if required. Make sure graphics mode and storage are set for performance. These steps ensure apps install correctly and run smoothly. If an update appears, let it finish before continuing. You finish by installing and testing apps from Google Play. Search, install, and open each app to confirm Play services integration and permissions. If an app fails or Play services crashes, clear the app cache inside settings, reboot the emulator, and retry. That fixes most problems. If issues persist, sign out and back into your Google account or uninstall and reinstall the runtime. As a last resort, try a different emulator. Switching to Knox or a VM often resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.